Top 13. Smartphone link functions auto time adjust, daily alarm target time indicator, tough solar wall time day indicator, one touch 3-fold glass Q lock on, mobile link wireless linking using Bluetooth, stopwatch battery level indicator, power saving, pods movement case diameter 49.2 millimeters, water resistant 200 meters. Top 12. World time 48 cities, 31 time zone, daylight saving on off. Auto switching, standard time and coordinated universal time. Stopwatch 1/100 second, measuring capacity 24 hours. Split time, first and second place times. Countdown timer, measuring unit 1 second, maximum 60 minutes. Alarm, 5 independent daily alarms. Top 11. Mobile link wireless linking using Bluetooth, airplane mode. Approximate battery operating time 8 months on rechargeable battery level. Cords movement. Case diameter 52 millimeters. Water resistant 200 meter. Suitable for swimming and snorkeling. Top 10. This watch is tough movement. Tough solar watch. Smartphone link watch. This watch has multi-band 6 display type analog. Case diameter 43.3 millimeters. Case thickness 11.7 millimeters. Atom weight 3.1 ounces. This watch is a great watch. Top 9. Display type digital. Case diameter 47.2 millimeters. Case thickness 13.3 millimeters. Special features: wall time, timer, stopwatch. Atom weight 2.43 ounces. Movement Japanese quartz. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. Comfortable to wear. Wow, what a great piece, worth every penny. Love this mechanical hand-wound piece. Top 8. Case bezel material resin shock resistant. LED light super illuminator. 5 daily alarms. Full auto calendar 20 by 24 hour format. Battery life 5 years. Case diameter 52.8 millimeters. Top 7. Shock resistant watch. Neon display the hands. Water resistant to 200 meter. Top 6. Shock resistant. Bluetooth connectivity. Water resistance depth is 200 meters. Display type digital. Case diameter 49.3 millimeters. Case thickness 17 millimeters. Atom weight 69 grams. Water resistant depth is 200 meters. Movement quartz. Brilliant watch, well suited to formal and everyday wear. The quality is really outstanding at this price point. Top 5. Analog digital watch. Case diameter 14.5 millimeters. Total weight 91 grams. Shock resistant. Carbon core guard structure. Water resistance depth is 200 meters. Case material carbon, bezel material stainless steel. New genuine 100% authentic watch. Smartphone link. Top 4. Water resistant depth is 200 meters. LED backlight. Altimeter, barometer, thermometer, compass. GPS signal reception. Case material resin. Case diameter 5.5 centimeters. Case thickness 20.4 millimeters. Band material plastic. Band length MEMS standard. Band width 34 millimeters. Top 3. Imported Edifice smartphone link tough solar 3D dial bolt design. Super illuminator, water resistant depth is 100 meters. Wall time daily alarm. Best lap indicator, countdown timer. Quartz movement. Case diameter 49.2 millimeters. Water resistant to 100 meters. Dial manometer type manual. Display type analog digital. Class deployment class. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 49.2 millimeters. Case thickness 13.7 millimeters. Band material stainless steel. Band length men's standard. Band width 22 millimeters. Bezel material stainless steel. Bezel function stationary. Dial color black. Top 2. Watch movement quartz. Display tab analog. Case diameter 42.3 millimeters. Case thickness 9.4 millimeters. Tough solar. Tough movement watch. Multi-band 6. Mobile link function. Top 1. LED light super illuminator. Water resistant, depth is 100 meter. Thermometer. New bright luminous hands and markers. World time 5 daily alarms. Only time signal.